Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse and we're going to be talking about a Pentair item today. This is the Pentair replacement for the top of your Clean and Clear cartridge filter. Part number on that, 982-09800. Here it is, but I'm not going to tear this one open. I'm actually going to show you on our display model in retail what this looks like. So follow me. So here we are out in retail. This is the part that you are replacing. This is for your Clean and Clear cartridge filter. A lot of times you get little leaks. The pressure gauge will go bad. You'll get a drip out of the side of this thing. It's not crazy expensive to replace it completely. It does come with the pressure gauge and the air relief all in one. And like I said, it's this part number. You can find it at ePoolSupply, either in store or online. And we're here for you. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for checking us out. See you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.